Welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm so excited to be doing this video. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you if you want to see other tips and tricks for hair and makeup and beauty videos, also lifestyle videos. Okay, so this video is going to be about this easy, I'm telling you, super easy DIY poison ivy costume. You're only going to be using the things you already have in your makeup closet. You don't need anything extra except for you got to purchase the leaves, the wig, and the top. But don't worry, because I'll be telling you where I got all these items. So I'm just done. I'm just so excited that I just want to go ahead and get started. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be starting this video with a fresh face. You want to make sure that it's still important to prep and protect your skin. So make sure you wash your face off. I use this Biore charcoal face wash or cleansing water and toner, moisturizer, all of the above. And I'm also going to put on a thin layer of foundation. I'm going to be alternating between eyeshadows and face paint. So I do want to make sure that my skin is protected. Using my NC47, I'm going to just apply a little bit on my hand. And the parts I really need to just, ooh, that was weird, cover up is just down here, and basically make sure I have a plain slate. I usually don't go over my eyebrows, but for this video I'm going to be patting the foundation over my eyebrows. And what this is going to do is cover it up so that when I apply my eyebrow to my face, it'll be easy for me to cover up. So I went back and forth between whether or not I was going to do a full talk through tutorial live or if I was going to do a face or voiceover. And I think for the purpose of this video, I did want to do just like a little intro and talk through some of the things that I'm doing. But I'm going to actually do a voiceover so I'm able to speed up the video so the video doesn't turn out to be like 20 minutes. So let me take a look at my base, and I think this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and start applying my makeup. Before I do start applying my makeup, I just want to show you some of the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this. I tried to find all my greens and reds that I have, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I have a palette that I got off Amazon. I'm going to be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is just like the perfect palette. And then I'm also going to be using some face paint / body art products that I got off of Amazon. Okay, now I'm ready and I'm going to stop talking and get right into the video. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm going to take a little concealer and cover up my eyebrows as much as I can. Some people do this in different ways. I decided that I didn't need them to be super covered, but I did want to make them more of a neutral color so that when I apply my red eyebrows, it's not black and red, it's more red than black. Next, I'm just going to take a little bit of my RMCA powder just to pat over the concealer so that I have a matte base. Now I'm ready to apply some color. So I'm going to be using this red color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette as a starting point, but I do actually go in with a different color that you'll see later in the video from the Jaclyn Hill palette so that it's more orange than red. I was trying to do it so that it matches my wig. So I'm taking this and I'm basically carving out my eyebrows like I would if I was filling in my eyebrows or doing my eyebrows, but just applying a lot of this red color so it looks different. Okay, I'm done with the other side. So now I'm going to be taking this to kind of fill in the brows as well so that it's less red and more of like an orange reddish color. Now that I'm done with the brows, I'm going to be using this concealer to apply it to my eyelids just to create a base for my eyeshadow. My base is created, I'm going to be using these green colors from the Shany palette that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to build up the green. As you can see, if I would have done one layer, it would have been a lighter green, and I was going more for a darker green, so I do build up this product quite a bit, and I'm basically just redipping in that same green color and really trying to darken the crease. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to be taking that same green color and bringing it down my nose, almost like creating a contour effect on my nose. I'm deepening this part right between my eyes and my nose, and then I'm also taking a fluffy brush and blending out the tips so that there's no harsh lines. Now that I'm done with the base for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to be using one of the lighter green colors on the palette. I'm first going to spray a little bit of this MAC Fix Plus on it just so that it grabs more product, and I'm also going to build up this product. So it was a lighter green, slightly lighter with a little bit of shimmer. You can go even lighter than this if you want, but I'm just basically taking this color to my eyelid. Now I'm going to take an even lighter color and create almost like a highlight in the inner corner and then bring it down my nose. Now that we've done the contour on the nose, I decided I wanted to go a little darker on the eye. So I'm actually going to be taking this black eyeshadow and creating almost like a wing liner right at the base of my eyelid. And what this is going to do is actually just darken it up a little bit for me. I liked the green, but I was like, oh, I should add a little bit of black. I'm just going with the flow. You can skip this step if you just like the green. Now I'm going to be taking the remaining amount I had from that green that I applied to my eyelid and apply it right underneath my eye. And then I'm going to go over it with the black as well. Now that the eyes are done, I'm actually going to be applying, I'm just cleaning up the product a little bit from the fallout, and I'm going to be applying these green eyelashes. I debated between going back and forth between the black or green eyelashes, and I went with the green because I thought it would be fun. I'm actually going to be taking that same green color and creating a contour just around my face. Now that the contour to the face is done, you can actually apply this down your neck if you wanted to as well. But I'm going to be applying some lipstick. So the red ended up being a lot redder than I wanted. Similarly to my eyebrows, I am going to go in with that same Auburn color from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to create a more burnt orange rather than a bright red look. Okay, now that I'm all done with the makeup, there's some accessories that I'm gonna need to add to this outfit. Bam, a wig. So I'm gonna put this on camera. And then I also have a few other items that I'm gonna add to. Ew. So this wig I actually got from Target. Alright. This wig is like really soft. Like I was not expecting it to be this soft. Especially coming from Target. So I have this red wig and I have this jumpsuit, this green onesie that I also just got from like Amazon that I'm gonna throw on, and then I got some vines. So I'm gonna put on this one piece and I'll be right back. Got on the green one piece. Now that I got on the one piece, I'm gonna take the vines and I'm gonna create a headband with one, and then the other I'm gonna use to wrap around my arms. So I'm just gonna take one whole one and put it through here to kind of be left. Whew. I don't want it to look neat, but I just want it to look like I have, you know, some poison ivy. So let's see. Okay, all right, I'm liking the way this is looking. Those are just attached. And then I have one other one that I'm gonna have to cut in half. And then take this and wrap it around my wrist. Or around my hand, I should say. Oh, and the leaves are falling off left and right, so. Okay, and then the same thing to the other side. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is only one of the 2 Halloween videos I'll be doing this month. I'm super excited because these are little things outside of my comfort zone. In the past, I did Halloween videos, which I'll link down below, of things that I did with my natural hair and nothing really too extravagant. So I was so excited to be trying something new this year. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!